Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make ChatGPT summarize a YouTube video. So as you can see, I asked ChatGPT to summarize this YouTube video for me. So it is titled What Could Have Been Edgar Wright's Ant-Man. And as you can see, it successfully summarized it using this. By the way, before we start, make sure that you are subscribed to ChatGPT Plus because this is only available to uh, ChatGPT Plus on this ChatGPT account. So to get started, I'll show you on a new chat. So we need to use a plugin here. So make sure you also use GPT-4 and make sure that you have the plugin selected like that. Here, make sure it is checked. And make sure here scroll down to the plugin store and just type in YouTube. And make sure you install this one, YouTube Summaries, and also this one, AI Video Summary. So any of the two. And all you have to do here is just check the plugin. So make sure there's only one check. And all you have to do is paste the link and ask them to summarize it for you. So as you can see, this is basically it. As you can see, it really is the original version, Edgar Wright's original version for the Marvel film Ant-Man, and this is very accurate. So all you have to do is wait for this to finish, guys. It might take a while, guys, but this is basically it, the other plugin. And let's try and use the other plugin that we installed. So this one, and let's just paste the command or prompt. Then as you can see, it's now generating the um, summarizer. As you can see, it is very accurate, guys. And as you can see, if compared to the two, uh, this is more accurate. The AI video summarizer is more accurate than the previous one. After that, you can now ask question to follow. So for example, give me the 5 takeaways in bullet form for this video, for example. And as you can see, it is now generating it successfully. And there. So okay guys, that is how you can summarize a YouTube video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.